Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is the lungs of your home, and your HVAC filter helps keep those lungs clean and free of obstructions, and your actual lungs in the process. Unfortunately, as your local HVAC professional will tell you, changing your air filter is something most homeowners don't do often enough, if they do it at all, which is too bad because it's literally one of the simplest home maintenance tasks you can do, and one that returns a significant amount on your investment. When dirt and dust build up, the filter will no longer be able to remove mold and allergens from your indoor air. When you replace the air filter regularly, you can reduce energy bills, improve the quality of air in your home, and extend the life of your HVAC unit. Homeowners should swap out their HVAC filters at least once every 3 months, and more often if you have pets or a fireplace, or if you smoke inside. For comparison, that's roughly twice as often as you should be cleaning your refrigerator coils, which I'm sure you totally do. Breathe easy, homeowners. If I can do it, you can do it. Step 1, turn the unit off. If you're unsure of how to do this, you can turn off the circuit breaker or switch that's tied to the HVAC system. Step 2, remove the filter from its packaging and make sure it's not damaged. Step 3, unhook the latch for the cover grill. Step 4, the grill itself may be dirty and covered with crud, so clean the slats with a microfiber cloth or with a vacuum that has a brush attachment. Then slide the old dirty filter out. Step 5, insert the new filter, making sure it's oriented in the right direction. The filter should have colors or arrows to indicate how it needs to be installed. Step 6, when the filter is securely in place, return the grill back in its original position and close the latch. Step 7, now switch the unit back on. There, see how easy that was? Now, about those refrigerator coils.